Hello and welcome to AI Unlocked. I'm your host, Emmanuel. In the ever-expanding universe of artificial intelligence,
Mm.
it's easy to get lost.
You can say that again, Emmanuel. It's 2026, and if you're just starting your AI journey,
Yeah?
it feels like you're standing in a supermarket aisle with like 1,000 different brands of cereal,
Oh, wow.
and they're all shouting at you to pick them.
A perfect analogy, Melody. That is the biggest problem for beginners today.
Right.
Tool fatigue. You're told you need one tool for writing, another for images, a third for research, a fourth to organize your life.
Yeah.
Before you know it, you're juggling 5 different subscriptions and you haven't even done anything yet.
Right? It's analysis paralysis, but for AI. People hear about the amazing things AI can do, they get all excited,
Yes?
and then they hit this wall of complexity. You have to learn how to, prompt each tool correctly, and they don't talk to each other. It's just messy.
It is. But what if we told you there was a way to bypass all of that?
Okay.
What if instead of buying a separate camera, phone, and music player, you could just get one device that does it all seamlessly?
Ooh, I see where you're going. The smartphone moment for AI? So you're not just getting a tool,
Exactly.
you're getting a whole operating system. Okay, I'm hooked. Don't leave our listeners hanging, Emmanuel. What is this magic tool?
Dramatically, the tool we believe every beginner should start with in 2026 is GenSpark AI.
Yes, GenSpark. It's not just another chatbot. Think of it as your personal AI super agent. It's an all-in-one platform that brings all those scattered tools into one beautiful, easy-to-use workspace.
Exactly. Let's make this practical. Melody, imagine I have a business presentation due tomorrow.
Okay.
The old way, I'd spend hours on Google, another hour fighting with a presentation maker,
Oh, I know this feeling.
and then I'd have to write the script myself.
Been there, done that, got the stress-induced coffee stain on my shirt to prove it.
But with GenSpark, I could just give it a single command.
Right.
GenSpark, create a 15-slide presentation on the impact of solar energy in West Africa. Include market-leading companies, future projections, and generate some images of futuristic solar farms.
And boom! It taps into its research function, pulls the latest data, writes content with models as powerful as GPT 5.2, designs the slides,
Wow.
and creates custom images. It's not just a tool,
No,
it's a teammate.
that is the key. It moves you from being a prompt engineer
Yeah.
to being a director. You are just giving these high-level instructions,
Okay.
and the AI agent, it figures out all the steps.
And it's not just for business pros. As a creator, I'm thinking, I could say, hey, GenSpark, give me 10 viral video ideas about easy vegetarian recipes.
Right.
It gives me the list, I pick one and say, okay, write me a 2-minute script for that. Then, now create a vibrant, delicious-looking thumbnail for the video. It's a full content creation suite.
It's the consolidation we've been waiting for. It has AI Drive, AI Browser. It can even help manage your email. It's designed to remove the friction and make AI accessible for everyone,
Right.
not just the tech experts.
It's the perfect launchpad. You learn one system,
Exactly.
and you suddenly have the power of a dozen different tools at your fingertips. For any beginner who has felt intimidated or overwhelmed,
Yes?
this is your entry point. This is how you unlock AI.
Well said, Melody. It's about making the technology work for you,
Right.
not the other way around. GenSpark AI shows us a future where powerful technology is also simple to use.
Yeah.
It's a future where your creativity and your ideas are the only limit.
So, here's a question we'd like you to think about. If you had an AI agent that could handle all the tedious, time-consuming tasks in your day, what one big, creative, or ambitious project would you finally have the time to start?
Ponder on that. Until next time, stay curious and keep unlocking the future.